There's something about Valentine's Day that just feels different. The stores turn pink overnight, everyone's suddenly buying flowers, your group chat is either planning a date or pretending we don't care. It's kind of funny how one day can make everything feel a little romantic. You take a little longer to pick an outfit, you redo your hair, you light the candle you've been saving. Whether you're going out, staying in, celebrating with friends, or just romanticizing your own company, Valentine's Day has this way of making the ordinary feel softer. This is my little Valentine's Day, the aesthetic, the chaos, the cute moments, and everything in between to romanticize life.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do another Valentine's Day vlog. I want to do some Valentine's Day baking, some Valentine's Day taste testing, and take you guys along for my Valentine's Day. But I want to start off with a little haul because I treated myself to some things and I'm really excited. So first things first, I got myself this really pretty MEJ clip. I'm obsessed with MEJ. I love all of their clips, all of their styling creams. I think everything is so cute. Look at how beautiful this clip is. If you know me, you know I love the pink theme. I'm obsessed. Next things next, I got two new sprays. So I always wanted to try the Tower 28 facial spray, and I tried this last night because it came in the mail yesterday. Oh my gosh, definitely worth the self-love type of treatment because this is so good. Definitely recommend this. And then the next thing I got, and the last thing I got for like hair care, skincare, is the Daydream Hair and Body Fragrance Mist. This stuff smells so good. It reminds me of citrus in the best way possible. The last purchase, which is my biggest purchase that I made for myself, is this iPad, which we are going to do an unboxing. This is like my main self-love Valentine's Day gift to myself. I've been wanting an iPad for a really long time. As I said in my last video, I recently got my creativity back and I love doodling for my thumbnails, for my YouTube videos, for my TikToks, and it's really hard for me to do on my phone. It's easier to do with a bigger screen with an Apple Pencil on Procreate. And I used to have an iPad, but I gave it away years ago, so I got a new one. I've been wanting to get a new one for so long, but I've been putting it off, and I'm so happy I got it. I'm waiting for my Apple Pencil to come in the mail, and then we are going to unbox it. And then the last two things that I got were sent to me. This video itself is not sponsored, but I have to make brand posts for Instagram and TikTok. So Neutrogena sent me this Healthy Glow blush stick, and it's such a pretty color. I'm actually wearing it right now. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I think it's adorable and the perfect matte shade for winter. Everything I have here, I will link on my Shop My, just in case anyone wanted to shop it. And then the last thing I got, Happy Camper PR. I'm screaming. First of all, look at how stinking cute this box is. No, I'm obsessed. If you know me, you know I love bows and teddy bears. And then when you open the box, it gets better. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. This is like the perfect self-care package. So I got a Valentine's Day inspired sweatshirt. Look at how stinking cute this is with the bear, the heart headband, and the cake. And then the back says a gallon of love, and it has all my favorite things for baking. I'm obsessed. This is like the perfect Valentine's Day love package. And then it came with the matching sweatpants. It says Happy Camper, and the back has a heart and a cake. Are we joking? I'm obsessed. I'm actually so happy. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm actually going to put this on right now. Thank you so much, Happy Camper. I just put it on, and oh my gosh, it's adorable. Look at this. I love the details. I love the hearts. Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect Valentine's Day outfit. I'm like genuinely obsessed with it. It's also so comfortable. But now that I have this on, I do want to take some pictures in the set, and I think it would be perfect to post it right around Valentine's Day. So I'm going to set up my camera and we're going to do a little photo shoot. Personally, I love taking photos. I think taking photos is so fun, and I usually always do a Valentine's Day photo shoot. I already did one with heart balloons, which I posted on my Instagram. I'll have my Instagram on the screen. Definitely go follow me if you're interested. And I posted it on TikTok, which I'll also have on the screen. But I want to do like kind of like a comfy Valentine's Day outfit as well, which this is perfect. And then I also want to do a picture on Valentine's Day as well, because me and Chad are going to a steakhouse. But I did get myself tulips, and I feel like this would be a really good prop to use in the background of my photos. I want to do some outside and some inside. So let's go take some pictures and hopefully we get a good one. Pictures. I think I got a few cute ones that I'm going to email over to the brand and post on Instagram and TikTok, but very, very comfortable. Love this hoodie. Even though this video in particular isn't sponsored, I just love it, so I wanted to include it. And it's Valentine's Day themed, so I thought it was perfect. I really like this setup. I think it looked so cute in my pictures. If you want to see all of them, go over to Instagram. But I want to go get my Apple Pencil because it was delivered and I have to walk to the mailroom to get it. I still have heart balloons in my car from when I did my pictures. They actually held up pretty nice. I just picked up my Apple Pencil, but before I do my unboxing, I need to run out and run to Target. I made my boyfriend a Valentine's Day basket a little while ago, but I want to add some things to it because I think there's certain things that'll make him really, really happy. So I want to go to Target and look at some of their Valentine's Day stuff. After I go to Target, then we will do my unboxing. I need to get things done first, and that will be like my self-love reward. So let's go to Target, make a basket, put on a little Valentine's Day inspired playlist. Let's see if I can find one really quick. Let's just type in on Spotify. Let's do Valentines. Oh, this is good. Valentine's girly girl vibe pop songs. First thing that comes up, The Fate of Ophelia. Let's go.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio.
Target ended up not having a lot of stuff at all. I literally only got like 3 things for his basket, but it's okay because I already got most of the stuff anyway. So first things first, I got this little heart balloon. I love heart balloons and I think it'll be a cute add-on to his basket. I also got him this stuffed animal. It's called a fuggler. He's been wanting this for so long, so I got him one of these. I'm not really sure if I got the right one, but they had it, so I got him this. I got him some Pringles, and then I got some cookies. He likes these cookies, and I thought that it would go well with the basket. And then the last thing I got is for myself. I've been looking for the matching shorts to these everywhere, and I can't find them in my size, but they just came out with the matching top. Are we joking? This is adorable, and they had it in my size, so I wanted to get it when I saw it because I know it's going to sell out, and even if I can't find the shorts, I think it's really cute. So I got this, and I'm really excited about it. I am going to, I think, stop at Dunkin' Donuts now. I really want to get the heart-shaped donuts. I don't want to have them tonight because I need to eat dinner, so we're not gonna have them tonight, but this vlog is going to be a few days. I do want to stop at Dunkin' Donuts to have donuts for tomorrow morning. I want the heart-shaped donuts. I think those would be really cute, and I also want to get a coffee for tomorrow morning as well. I also wanted to show you guys my phone case. Look at how cute this is. I think it's adorable. It's Valentine's Day themed, and I'm obsessed with it. It's from Get Casely. I also just wanted to say I've been getting a lot of questions if I'm doing a Valentine's Day what's on my iPhone. Not this year, only because I didn't customize my phone for Valentine's Day. I'd left it as like my New Year's goals. I just really needed something to motivate me, and having my New Year's goals on my phone was really motivating me. So now that I'm finally feeling a lot better, I definitely will be back to my customization videos for like the spring because that is something I really like. But I just wanted to give a little update. That's why I didn't do it this year. But don't worry, because we are going to decorate my iPad for Valentine's Day as soon as we unbox it, either tonight or tomorrow, and I think that'll be worth it. Last thing I wanted to show is my nails. Look at how stinking cute they are. They're Valentine's Day themed. I've honestly had these for like 4 weeks, so I want to see tomorrow if I can go get new nails, but only 5 times. So that's the rundown. Let's go to Dunkin' Donuts and get a little coffee and some donuts. Hi, do you guys have the heart donuts?
The pink ones, yes ma'am.
Okay, how many do you have?
Let me go check for you.
Okay, thank you.
4 left.
Okay, can I get 4, please?
Yes ma'am, that's it for you.
And then can I also do a medium heart eyes daydream refresher?
Okay, that's it for you.
Yep, that's it. Thank you. I wanted to get 6 donuts, but they only have 4. It's okay. At least I have them. Thank you. I'll be right up. No worries. Thank you. Have a good one. I did get this for tomorrow because I'm trying not to have sugar after 5 p.m. just for my PCOS, and I think it's been working, but I will have this tomorrow morning. This is a medium heart eyes dream refresher. It looks so pretty and very pink, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. They're so cute. Look at how stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Tomorrow's breakfast is going to be so good. I'm so excited. We are going to go home now, and I'm gonna eat dinner, and then hopefully we can unbox my iPad as long as the lighting is okay. If not, we'll do it tomorrow.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion.
now the next day, I'm wearing my Park sweatshirt, the Valentine's Day edition one, because I think it's so on theme. This vlog is more of like a romanticizing Valentine's Day type of vlog, which I actually really love because I think there's so many things about Valentine's Day and about love that are so important. So we're really going all out for Valentine's Day, and I hope you enjoy. I just straightened my hair. I haven't straightened my hair in a while, but I personally love when I get ready. It makes me feel really good about myself. So just straightened my hair, and now I'm putting some hair oil in just to make it a little bit less frizzy. I did a very minimal type of makeup, no foundation, just like blush, pink eyeshadow, kind of like a soft glam for Valentine's Day. I got this pink robe yesterday from Victoria's Secret, and it has hearts on it. I'm so excited to use it later when we do our self-care. But I wanted to give you an update. Originally, I was going to film Valentine's Day for this video, but I think I want to post this on Valentine's Day. At least I'm going to try to. So if I can get this edited, it'll be up tomorrow, which is Valentine's Day. If I can't, then I'll just include Valentine's Day and post it on Sunday. I just ate breakfast. I had my heart donuts with my little drink. It was so good. And then while I was doing that, I also customized my iPad, and I did it Valentine's Day themed. So we're gonna go over what's on my iPad now. I wanted to do somewhat of a Valentine's Day themed customization, but also something I can use after. This is what my lock screen looks like. I think it looks so stinking cute. I really like the stripes, and I also really love the widgets on the bottom here. I don't know if you can see well, but it's a little battery widget, and it has a heart, a bow, a heart, and another bow. And then I have two other widgets, and it's just a heart and a bear. I think it looks adorable. And then when we go into my iPad, I actually only have one screen on my iPad because my iPad is something that I'm going to use more for customizations and editing. I didn't really know what type of apps I wanted to add on here right now, so I only have one screen, but I think it looks adorable. Look at how cute that is. So starting off, we have a little widget that I got from Pinterest, and it's really just reminding me of Valentine's Day, that self-love type of widget. It has flowers, a pink purse, a white purse, and then two little coffees. Then I have YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, CapCut, Pixar, Procreate, Canva, Fuji, which is a camera app that really reminds me of like a disposable camera, Snapchat, another widget that says the date. And then here's where I have like my Valentine's Day themed widgets. I did all small widgets, and I did a lot of just very cute Valentine's Day inspired widgets, which are all from Pinterest. And then I have ChatGPT, Netflix, Spotify, and Widgetsmith. And then for the actual wallpaper, it's just the same thing as the front. Instead of pink, it's brown. So I think it's really cute. I will do an overview so you guys can see better. That is what I have on my iPad. I'm really excited about it, and I cannot wait to start editing on it and doing doodling. Since this was my self-care gift to myself, now we are going to make my boyfriend's gift from the stuff that I have for the basket and also the stuff that I picked up yesterday. It's time to make my boyfriend's basket. I already have some of this basket filler in the basket. I think it looks pretty cute just to kind of raise everything up. And then first thing I got are these Grizzlicious mini rice cake French toast flavors because he really likes these. Then, as I showed you yesterday, I got him this thing. I actually guess we'll do it like that, like have this in the back and then these in the front. And then I got him some protein chips. I got him a pair of socks because he really needs socks. I got him his favorite candy, which is Sweetheart Ropes. I actually got two of them. I got him Pringles. I got him these Steelers. This is the mango flavor. He really likes these. I got him some Joyride sour blue raspberry strips. I got some Tic Tacs because he loves them. I got him some Nerds. He also loves these. And then I got him these relaxing magnesium things that support muscle and relaxation. I think it's supposed to help with sleep. He already opened them because he found them, but the rest are going in here because it's supposed to be for Valentine's Day. This is what the basket looks like. I think it looks really cute, but I also got him these cookies, which I'm just going to have next to the basket tomorrow. I think the basket's really cute, and I think he's going to like it. And gift giving is my love language, so I'm excited. It's a little bit later now, and I am so hungry. I want to make dinner. I have this heart-shaped pasta that I actually got from Target, and I'm really excited to try it. I've had it for like a month, and I've been waiting for the right time to make it, and I think tonight is the perfect night. Look at how stinking cute this is. So I'm going to make this, I think, with maybe meatballs or a piece of chicken. I think that'll be a really good dinner and stick to that Valentine's Day theme. And I think it's like a quick and easy dinner because I want to bake later, so I don't feel like cooking like a whole entire meal. I already have the meatballs and the chicken made from previous meals this week, so I'm just going to heat that up. So all you have to really do is make the pasta. I'm excited. It doesn't look that aesthetic, but that's okay. It's more about how it tastes. The hearts kind of fell apart while they were boiling in the water, but the idea of it is still there, so I'm going to eat this really quick. I just ate dinner. It was really good. Now I think I want to take my makeup off before I bake because I'm not sure what I want to bake yet. I kind of want to make heart-shaped cookies, but at the same time, I kind of want to make a heart-shaped cake. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna ask my boyfriend what he prefers and then we'll make that. But in the meantime, I want to take my makeup off and do a little skincare. Not gonna do too much skincare, but I do want to do a little bit because I'll do my main skincare later. But I'm just going to put on a little bit of eye patches and take my makeup off. And then we're going to bake something. These are two forms of self-care that I absolutely love.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind, staying in this moment though it's hard to.
Skincare is on. I forgot to put my robe on while I was doing my skincare, but I just put it on. It's really, really comfortable. It has little hearts on it, which I'm obsessed with. It's from Victoria's Secret. My face feels very, very hydrated. I put on a lot of hydrating products, including Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Gel and also a lot of hyaluronic products, which is water-based. Feeling very hydrated, very refreshed. I think that self-care is so important. And I just got Power 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray and it's amazing. I highly recommend it. But I'm going to let this sit on my face for a little bit. I wanted to do eye patches and a nose strip and I feel like it looks a little crazy, but look at how cute this nose strip is. It has ladybugs on it. It's from Target and I'm obsessed. A bit later now, I took off the eye patches and the nose patch and now we're going to do some baking. I have this Funfetti Valentine's Day cake mix that I think I want to make because I also have the matching frosting to go with it, and then I have this heart pan as well. So I think this would be a really cute cake and I want to make it. So we are going to put on a movie. I don't know what movie I'm going to watch yet, but something involving Valentine's Day and baking. Cake is made. It actually turned out really good. I'm proud of myself. We are going to eat that tomorrow though for actual Valentine's Day. It is 10 p.m. right now and I want to get this video up by tomorrow. Usually it takes me around 12 hours to edit, so I need to start right now. But we are somehow going to get it up. So I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day. Remember that Valentine's Day is about all types of love, self-love, family love, friend love, and if you have one, a significant other love, but most importantly, self-love. So remember to love yourself, treat yourself today, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Bye.